Hey y'all, I hope you remember me. This is Robin, and this is a video that is a long time coming. Actually, I'm a real procrastinator, so sometimes it's hard to, explain yourself, and that's what I want to do. Tell you guys where I've been, what I've been up to. Basically, I haven't uploaded a video in forever and a day. And last year, it was tough on me. My self-esteem, my anxiety and depression got the better of me. And I was basically convinced that I didn't deserve to be on YouTube because in my head I didn't feel like my videos were worthy of watching. There were some other things that went on, but basically I had turned into the type of person that couldn't stand to look in the mirror. I didn't like what I saw. As some of you know, weight has been an issue my whole life from the time that I was a child. And I gained weight back, and I think everything just came tumbling down all at once. Plus, life kind of took over my YouTube life. And I want to apologize to everybody. You guys are wonderful. You have always been supportive, leaving nice comments, watching the videos, and I should have put this video out there way before now. But as they say, better late than never. And I do want to give you an update on the channel, because as you know, I just kind of let it go about a year ago, 10-11 months ago. But I will be starting back up, hopefully by the end of July, 1st of August, somewhere in that neighborhood. Things have kind of leveled out now with me. I'm on a new weight loss journey. I'm feeling really good about myself. My husband was sick earlier in the year. It was very serious. He was also sick late last year. My mom's been going through some things. But I want to please forgive me for not putting this video out sooner. And thank you for watching this video. I know it may be too little too late, but I've got it together, and crafting used to be my escape before I let my own head get in the way. So I hope that you'll bear with me just a little longer, because like I said, I'm going to try to have a video out end of July, first part of August, somewhere in that time period. I want to thank everybody that has supported me and that will continue to support me, hopefully. I apologize, and I hope you all will forgive me and support me. And I really don't know what to say, except I should have done this sooner, but I guess I was afraid to. So anyway, I was going to make this short and sweet. I don't want to keep you all, here, I don't want to seem repetitive or that I'm rambling. But I will be back making videos. One thing you guys can do, if you comment down below and kind of let me know what you want to see. To be honest, I haven't been on YouTube that much in the last year. I only have watched very few DIY videos, and that's been in the past week. So, I know there's a lot of, Christmas in July, everybody's doing fall, but kind of give me a direction that you would like to see me go with this new video that I'll be coming out with. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you'll continue to hang in there with me, and until next time, y'all go get your craft on. Bye. See you soon.